guys, what's up? And you are watching Caterpillar Network. In today's video, we're going to make a house for dogs and for pets. And we will be needing a cardboard, paintbrush, acrylic paint, scissor, ruler, glue, and it's optional is glitter. Okay, so let's start. For some decoration, I'm going to add some glitter and glue, and we're going to mix it together. Hey guys, thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and you can follow us on Instagram at Caterpillar Network. Don't forget to comment down below, and of course, don't forget to subscribe. We will see you next time to our next video. Bye guys!